Hi, so you want to learn how to use Twitter, huh? Well, I'm Max Anderson. I'm one of the members of the conference community this year for MLA 2012 in Seattle, and I hope that I will be able to show you a little bit about how to get started with Twitter and how to follow other medical librarians and to get started in the conversations that are going to be happening at MLA this year. So first thing you have to do is you actually have to go to twitter.com to get started. So when you're done with this video, navigate to twitter.com. And you'll notice on the home page that we have here, it wants me to enter a username or email, but I don't have either of those yet. So what I have to do is, underneath there it says new to Twitter, this is where I have to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some fake credentials. Don't tell anybody. MLA member 3, I'm going to call myself, and I'm going to go ahead and type in my email address. And this is an email address. They want you to confirm that you are a human, that you are who you say you are. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some information here. And the password they're asking for, this is not the password for your email address. This is the password that you are going to be using, that you will log in with basically later. So in fact, I'm going to take this out, this space out, so it's real simple. It's MLA member 3, and I'm going to go ahead and type in a password that I'm going to use for this account. And sign up for Twitter. So it says name looks great, MLA member 3, MLA Twitter 3 2012 gmail.com. Great, they'll send me a confirmation. This is my password. It's okay, it's fine. And the username is available. Great. And it suggests to me other names, but I'm going to keep the one I have. And I don't want to keep logged in on this computer because maybe it's a public computer and I don't want to do that, so I'm going to uncheck that. And of course I've read the terms of service, so I'm going to go ahead and create my account. And the first thing that happens is it says welcome MLA member 3, that's us. And as you can see, it's real easy. You can get started in less than 60 seconds, and it'll probably take longer than 60 seconds because I'm talking. So let's go ahead and hit next. And you know, Twitter is real simple. It's 140 characters. You can't write paragraphs of text, but it's nice for short bursts of information. And the first thing that it wants you to do is it wants you to follow popular people to get started. And this is one way to do it is just to look at the suggested names that they have here. So if you want to follow Charlie Sheen, for example, there are some good examples. We're going to choose something different, and I'm going to click in this text box area, and I'm going to actually type in some names that I want to follow, or maybe terms, maybe medical librarians. And I'll hit the enter key on my keyboard, and it comes up with a number of medical librarians. Some of those I know, Rachel for example, and Nikki are two that I know, Alicia and Michelle. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on a few of these, and to follow them it's real simple. I just click on the follow button, and that just means that they're going to be in my list of people that I follow. And what's nice is if I start tweeting things and they like what I have to say, then they may follow me. So you'll see that eventually you will show up in their lists of people that they follow. So I'm going to hit just the top few people here, including Emily, of course. Can't miss Emily. And as you see on the right side here, it shows the most recent tweets that those people made. So for example, Emily just tweeted literally a minute ago. Amy tweeted 4 hours ago. Michelle tweeted a minute ago. So I'm going to click on next. And it gives me more suggestions for people to follow, but I'm going to go ahead and skip it. And skip this step is kind of hidden. It's actually at the bottom of the page. And I'm going to skip that. Now the next thing it wants you to do is it wants to use your email basically to search your contacts to see if there's other people that you know who might be using Twitter but you didn't know it already. So you can do that if you want to. You can let it search your contacts. I'm going to skip that step. And there I am. So I have my account. It's set up. I have tweets on the right hand side, all 140 characters, and as you can see, they're starting to tweet using hashtags, which we'll talk about in another video, and including links as well. And some of the terms that you see appear like retweet and reply and favorite and things like that you'll see in a future video. But the first thing you have to do is, it says in the top, confirm your email address to access all of Twitter's features. So to do that, I'm going to check my email. And the first email I get is from Twitter. Confirm your Twitter account. Great. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to skip this welcome message from Gmail. And I'm going to click on the link for Twitter. And there we go. I'm confirmed. It says I've been confirmed. Thank you. Awesome. And it says that my name is a hyperlink. View my profile page. I have not tweeted yet, but I'm following 6 people and I have no followers yet. And so as you can see, all the people that I'm following are on the right hand side. And again, it's suggesting people to follow if I want to. So there's Marie Asher. I'll go ahead and follow her. But notice that her name is actually a hyperlink, just like my name is a hyperlink. So if I click on Marie's name, it shows me more information about Marie. It says she's a health sciences librarian, so she has filled out her profile. And I will go ahead and follow her. But it also says she has tweeted 1,896 tweets. She has 351 people following her. She has 488 people, or she's following 351 people, sorry, and she is has 488 followers, if that made sense. And go ahead and click follow. And so now it says I'm following her. I can close this window. So again, if I want to do more searches for people or for topics or anything like that, I can do, I'll do a search for informatics just to see what comes up. And so what I get initially are tweets about informatics. And those could be because of maybe terms in the tweet itself, or they could be in the name perhaps, or something in the bio of the person or the the organization that's tweeting. On the left-hand side, though, you see it does give me examples of organizations or people that I can follow. In fact, UIC is one of those examples, UIC Health Informatics. So if I wanted to, I could click follow, and I'm following them. If I want to see more information about any of these people, I can just click on their name, which is a hyperlink again, just like I did before. And one last thing I think I'm going to show you is to look at your profile. If there's not a person on the upper right hand side, and I'm going to click on that, view my profile page, and you can see my profile page is very minimal, and I have no photo right now, but I can edit my profile. And I can upload a picture, I can say where I'm located, I can put my website information in here, and I can put in a bio. And I can also post my tweets to Facebook if I want to tie the two together. So I'm not going to go ahead and change it or anything, but I'll just click Save Changes. So that's it for right now with using Twitter. It's real basic. In the next couple of videos, you're going to learn how to compose a new tweet. But I wanted to get you started with actually just even, creating an account and finding a couple people to follow and, get going with that. So that's, I think, a real important way to get going in the first place. So thanks for listening, and I hope you learned something.